Hey, this is Rob from Remax in Australia. I've won Marketing Agent of the Year and I've spoken at R4 on behalf of my videos, but something I have never done before is taken my own photos of houses. Why? It's all been too hard until the last couple of months. 400 listings, the last 10 I've shot myself. How did I do it? I've got the book from Brad and Capture Kings, and it just has made my life so much easier. Because now I can do it on my schedule and get exactly the shots I want. And let me tell you, the other real estate agents in this town have been asking my regular photographer, who is shooting Rob's photos? Guess what? It's me. It is so easy. All I've done is grab my old Nikon out of the closet and put in the settings that Brad recommends in his book, touch the button, point and shoot, send the photos off to Brad's team to edit, and they come back looking out of this world fantastic. I will admit, some of my sellers are a little bit skeptical about how I'm going to get the world's best photos when I shoot them myself, but when they see the results, they have been blown away. So, I just want to let you other agents out there know, if you need an edge in marketing, if you want to show people the best photos in the industry, all you have to do is download the book, have a word to Brad, shoot the photos yourself, and now you can offer either free photos or here in Australia, we even charge people up front for our marketing, and I've been able to return about $300 a house for the photos that I shoot myself. Anyway, big thank you to Brad and Capture Kings for revolutionizing my game. I am so looking forward to shooting my next 60 houses in 2021.